Hi, what is up guys? Welcome back to our Gunpla channel powered by Comics Hobbies Kona. Today we will be unboxing the high new Gundam Vrabe from Gundam Build Fighter series. This one will be the number 29 of the line. I really like this kit personally. However, 4 out of 8 of the runners are recycled from the high new Gundam. But I have to admit it is still a really good looking kit. It comes with 8 runners, 1 foil sticker and 1 plastic sticker. Start off with body. Left arm, then right arm. Then move on to the leg unit and finish the body with the waist unit. Moving on to the backpack and weapons. And some color pages of the instruction on how to switch the backpack into the Mecha Chicken. Let's take a look at the runners.